Teacher RN, this is your girl Krisha Santos from Bills and Tusi, and this is my PAT midterm exam featuring badminton. So without further ado, let's get started! Alam niyo ba na ang badminton ay may super throwback history? Imagine, nagsimula pa yan ng ancient time. As in ancient time, sa Greece, China, at India. Noon kasi may laro silang tinatawag na battledore and shuttlecock. Basically, sinubukan lang nilang wag mahulog yung shuttlecock gamit yung paddle. Parang OG version ng badminton. Moving forward to 1873, this time dumating na sa England ang modern badminton, thanks sa mga British Army officers na galing India. And guess what? Nilaro nila sa isang lugar na tinatawag na Badminton House. Kaya ayun, doon nakuha yung pangalan ng sports. Ang galing, di ba?
Oh my God! Wow!
Dito naman sa Pilipinas ay nag-start siyang mag-rise noong early 90s. Panahon pa ng mga Amerikano. Tapos ngayon nag-boom. Isa na siya sa pinaka-favorite sports ng mga Pinoy, lalo na ng mga student athletes. Kahit nga sa kalsada may makikita ka naglalaro ng badminton. Ang isang standard court ay may 13.4 meters long for doubles. Ang lapad ay 16.1 meters, pero kapag singles naman ay mas makitid, 5.18 meter lang. Ayun yung difference sa double. Mas wide kasi since doubles nga, dalawa kayo sa court, kaya mas kailangan ng mas malawak na space or lugar. Sa single naman ay mas narrow kasi nga mag-isa ka lang maglalaro. So mas makakapag-focus ka sa positioning at sa pag-i-aim ng shuttlecock. Yung net naman ay nakaset sa height na 1.55 meters sa side. Perfect para sa mga rallies and smashes natin. Siyempre, kailangan mo ng racket, shuttlecock, net, at proper sport shoes para mas mabilis at mas madulas kasi minsan ng court, kaya dapat ready ka every movement. So let's move on to the gripping of the racket. There are two types of gripping, which is ang forehand grip at backhand grip. For the forehand grip, hold the racket like shaking hands. While for the backhand grip, slightly ikot lang natin yung thumb natin, place natin behind the handle for better support. So now, let's move on to the 7 basic skills. First is the service, forehand and backhand. Ito ay ginagamit para mag-start ng laro or mag-start ng rally. Next is clear. Ito ay high shot to the back of the court, wherein hindi tayo lalagpas sa area. Next is low. It is an upward shot near the net. Next is netting. Soft shot close to the net. Imagine na lang natin na may net kami sa gitna. Next is the drive. Ito ay flat and fast shot across the net. Next is the drop. It is a gentle shot that lands near the net or mababang tira na malapit sa net. Lastly is the smash. Ito ay powerful downward shot kung saan matatarget natin ang upper area ng isang player. Mahalaga din na alam natin ang proper footwork. It allows us to be flexible and have a great time reaction when receiving the shuttle. And that wraps up this badminton vlog. Today, in-explore natin kung paano nag-start ang badminton, paano natin natutunan ang court dimension and equipment, and even went through the basic skills of every player should know. From serving, clearing, smashing, to mastering the teamwork and footwork of the body. Badminton isn't just a sport. It is a combination of speed, strategy, discipline that helps us stay healthy and confident. What makes us badminton special is that anyone can play it, whether for fun, fitness, or competition. It teaches us focus, Have patience and value continuous improvement. Every swing, every rally, every point system reminds us that the progress takes effort and passion. So, if you haven't even tried playing, maybe sign mo na to para mag-pick up ng racket and give it a shot.